The Tuffcare Freedom Rollator series. This product comes in many colors and varieties. This is what the product should look like when it is first opened. One main component and its screw-in pieces. For the retractable frame model, extend the two side frames fully before use. The 3-wheel rollator will not balance without extending the frame. Then attach both handles on the cart. Place in the hexagon bolts into the desired height. The bolts should fit in perfectly with the hexagon shapes. If provided, place the plastic piece before screwing on the star knob or the circular knob. If not, continue this process with either knob. There are two areas of brake tension where the user can adjust it. Now you are all set. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know in the comment section below.